Welcome back to Olly Hustle Hub, where we break down real ways to make money online using the power of AI. Now you are probably seen crazy AI tools there, but today we are driving into one that is blowing mind: Nano Banana. Nano Banana, an AI image generator that is changing the game for creators and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways you can start making money online using Nano Banana, even if you have a zero experience in design or business. So grab your notepad, hit the like button, and let's jump right in.
Welcome to Olly Hustle Hub, your go-to place for real energy, smart moves, and the grind behind the shine.
Okay, first I'm going to be talking on is creating and selling viral Instagram content. Let's be honest, visual drive the internet. The more eye-catching your content, the faster you grow. But not everyone is a designer, right? That is where Nano Banana comes in. With Nano Banana, you can describe what you want. For instance, say a minimalist luxury living room set up for a home deco brand, and boom, it creates stunning high-quality visual in seconds. Now, here is where the money comes in. You can create and sell themed Instagram content pack for influencers, small businesses on niche page. For example, 30 motivational quote background for fitness pages, 20 product marks up for beauty brands, 50 lifestyle image for digital marketing. People are paying between $20 to $200 per pack on sites like ETSY, Creative Markets, and Fiverr. Just go to any of the sites, sign up, and start creating. Or you can run your own Instagram automation, managing multiple niche pages, growing them with AI generated visual, and monetizing them through affiliate links and short outs. And the best part is you don't need to be a guru before you start using this thing. Yes, you don't need to shoot photo or hire a designer. Nano Banana does all the heavy lifting. Just combine Nano Banana with a caption generator like ChatGPT to produce viral poster faster. So if you post 3 times a day with strong hashtag, you can start monetizing your page within 30 to 60 days. That is your first digital income stream right there. The second, which I'll be talking about, is selling digital products using AI generated image. Okay, thinking of this as building assets that works for you while you sleep. For instance, you use Nano Banana to generate beautiful artwork, illustration, or design elements. You package them as wall art print, digital planner, coloring books, or mock-up bundles. Upload them to marketplaces like ETSY, Gumroad, Creative Fabrica, or even Redbubbles. Boom, you start getting order. For example, you can create AI-generated motivational art for entrepreneurs. You upload 20 designs as instant download files. People buy them for 10 to 20 bucks, and you earn every time someone clicks or buy. Some seller makes $2,000 to $10,000 a month doing exactly this, all with AI-made images. Pair Nano Banana with Canva or Photoshop to add quotes, titles, or brand touches. You will instantly make your product look premium. And here is a secret most people miss. If your niche down, you win big. Don't just make wall art, make Christian wall art, Muslim wall art, motivational CEO print, or luxury minimalist office deco. That focus helps you store stand out and makes marketing 10 times easier. So while others are chasing clients, your AI images are selling automatically 24/7. Now, let's talk about my favorite, which is automating content creation using Nano Banana. If you have got a blog, a YouTube channel, or affiliate business, visuals have everything. People stay longer when your site looks good. And that means more click, more sales, more income. How do you do it? Use Nano Bananas to generate custom big images, thumbnails, or infographics based on your content. Example, You can write, you can say, okay, write a blog about 10 AI tools for business. You create all 10 visual with Nano Banana. Combine it with ChatGPT to write the article. Schedule post with WordPress or Notion.
Cool.
Then, boom, change started rolling out for good. That is a full AI content funnel, written, illustrated, and published automatically. Then you plug in affiliate link, display ads, or digital product link. With traffic coming in from SEO or printing press, you will have built a semi-passive online income system. Make your visual unique, change prompt slightly so no two images are alike. That helps with SEO and branding. Make your visual unique, change prompt slightly so no two images are alike. That helps your SEO and branding. You get it now? This is the exact strategy many AI entrepreneurs use to earn 1K, that is $1,000 to $5,000 per month without showing their face. The real trick, consistency is the key. Once you post 50 to 100 AI enhanced blog articles, your income snowballs automatically. So, there you have it. 3 powerful ways to make money online using Nano Banana. 1. Create viral Instagram content. 2. Sell AI powered digital product. 3. Automate your blog or content funnel. Start with one, master it, then scale to the other. And remember, it is not about working harder. It is about working smarter with the right tools. If you found this value in this video, smash the like button, drop a comment saying, hey, Hustle, so I know you are part of this movement. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tutorials on making money online with AI. Until next time, stay creative, stay consistent, and keep hustling. This is Olly Nation signing out.